propagation. 1, 2, mic check, everybody. Come on now. Come on. Let's propagate. Let's propagate. Let's get this party started. Uh-huh. 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 Doubles. Oh, we live. Oh, we live. Let's go. 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 We are live, ladies and gentlemen. Yo, 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 what's up? What's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house. And my compatriot, the one and only DBL Nick's in the house. Let's go, baby. And it's another episode of Power Play, where we basically get ourselves ready for Power Hour by reviewing the leading gainers up to Power Hour 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And, of course, we break it up with a couple of games of Fortnite in the middle, which we always dedicate to our lovely, indelible tribe. That's you. That's you guys. Yes, sir. Yeah. So let's get a share party going on. Let's go and get a bunch of folks on here. The market has finally opened up. It's finally heating up. We're starting to get a lot of parabolic runners. We had GLTO move, 422% earlier in the morning? Yeah, we had a bunch of stonks that ran parabolic, baby. Oh, yeah. Move went, 275%, something like that? Oh, yeah. And we were early to the party because the early bird gets the cash. The early bird gets the cash, baby. Uh-huh. And right now we're going to be looking for some stocks that potentially can go parabolic in Power Hour. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel because there's some phenomenal content there at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. And, of course, you want to follow us on x.com, a.k.a. Twitter, at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money, 24 hours a day, financial news, 7 days a week, 24/7 financial news on x.com, at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money, and Monday through Friday, pre-market, regular hours, and after hours, everything and anything having to do with microcap and small cap stocks, whether it's technical analysis, filings, news, you name it, doubles everything. We got you covered on x.com, so go ahead and follow us on x.com, at Coach Nick Money. And, of course, there's great content on Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at Coach Nick Money. We live stream as well on Twitch at Coach Nick Money. And, of course, you got to have a TikTok doubles. A tiki-taki, or as doubles likes to call it, a tack, at DBL Nicks. At DBL Nicks, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money, baby. And, of course, you probably heard about our amazing Discord community with all the wonderful features that are designed to assist our community to excel in their trading experience. But let me tell you about it. We got a link in the description and in the pinned comment for a 4-day trial for $9.99. You'll have access not only to an incredibly warm community set and focused on achieving their success and supportive of your success, but you also have us helping you out on top of that. Plus, we have numerous tools like the automation that's in place. For example, we have market mover scanners that are in place. You can see our scanner, one of our scanners from the Discord on the left side of the screen. This is the market mover scanner that basically takes a look at all the stocks that have moved the most throughout the day. So we have our watch list, in essence, for the stocks that have moved the most. And we also have the breakout scanner that tells us which stocks seem to be breaking out. And, of course, we've got the early watch list that people are crazy about that comes out. It comes out at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every single evening for the next day, for the next trading day. And a lot of times those scanners, they're running. They're running. The stocks end up running, anywhere from 1, 2, 3, 4 of those stocks. So that's all accessible to you. Plus the newsroom search features to learn about what filings and news articles have been pushing particular stocks up. All of that is available. So it's much more than just a Discord rah community. It's tools and a community that's supportive on top of that. So take advantage of the 4-day trial for $9.99. Link in the description and in the pinned comments. Now let's go take a look at some of these stocks. Let's share it up. Let's get to the first 100, folks. First 100 doubles. Let's get it shared up, folks. Let's get it shared up, and we'll take a look at a couple of these tickers. Let's go take a look at GLTO, which ran 422%. All right, so We're going to get the graffiti pencil activated. Ladies and gentlemen, graffiti pencil activated. So we have a top over here. And we have another top over here. And then we have a triple top over here. So after the parabolic run up, the stock hit a resistance area right at around $23 and change, 23 and a quarter, and it basically ended up being a resistance area that pushed the price action down because it was a triple top bearish pattern. So what ended up happening is the price action went down. The 9 EMA is currently below the VWAP. VWAP is a significant resistance area. So let's go ahead and get that big green line set up for the VWAP. VWAP, baby, right there. VWAP is right at around $18.96. $18.96. That is where the volume weighted average is. You can see that the price action is below that and it's pushing downward. Volume dipping downward. RSI moving to oversold. Listen, doubles, this is no surprise in light of the fact that it's still an hour and 24 minutes away from power hour when volume should start coming into the overall market. Right now, there's not that much volume. So the price action is dipped below VWAP. What we want to see happen is we want to see a break of this downward trend. And I would say, doubles, if it can break this downward trend, doubles, if it could break this downward trend, right? Watch this. We could see a descending wedge bull reversal pattern and then a challenge of the VWAP at around the $18.96, $19 mark. And if it could break through, then the next resistance area would be right around where the past highs were, which is around $23 and a quarter. So that's the story with GLTO. Let's share it up. We got to get to 100, folks. Come on now. Let's get to 100. Let's share it up. Let's share it up. Let's share it up. Move has news about a merger, an upcoming merger. So it ran quite parabolic as well. Let's go and take a look at it right now. We could see that it ran quite parabolic. It went up 274%, something like that. Now it's sitting at about 100%. So it gave a lot of that back. The float on the stock is only 656,000 shares. So it's very, very much a slow float stock, as is GLTO, which was 1 million. So the float is super low and it's had 42 million in volume, but most of that volume happened earlier on when the market, pre-market, and when the market opened. You could see that the price action moved up. So now what we have is basically a double top type of a positioning happening over here, which was a bearish position. So you got a top right there. You got another top right there. And you have the obligatory flush in price action after a double top. So we can go ahead and say that it went down like this. Now, here's the thing. The price is just below VWAP, and you can see it's trying to curl. The 9 EMA is trying to curl upward. We could see volume dipping, obviously, because we're in an intermediary period between the early morning rush when there was a lot of volume. Now we're in a lull, and as we get closer to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we should see more volume coming in. But right now, volume dipping. RSI is showing us that the stock is oversold, and it looks like the price action continues to linger in this area. We need to see the RSI eventually start to move back up, and we need to see this 9 EMA break this downtrend and eventually break through this VWAP. So this stock looks a lot like what's going on with GLTO in the way it's set up, because the 9 EMA is slightly below the VWAP, but one difference, this 9 EMA looks like it's trying its best to curl upward. So we could say that possibly there's a descending wedge forming even with this one, which again would be a bull reversal pattern, right? A bull reversal pattern, and we would need to see the price action curl up and challenge the VWAP, which is around $14.50. That's move, baby, with merger news. BNAI penny stock joint under $1. BNAI doubles. Let's get that share party. Let's go to 200, baby. Baby. Just had news too, doubles, didn't it? Go ahead and pull the news up for me, my son. BNAI with news. It is a 30 million float stock with 430 million shares. A lot of shares. Okay. The stock's trading higher after the company announced a stake in a new Latin American partnership, and it also has earnings in 11 days. So that's the catalyst behind this sub-dollar stock. Now, of course, sub-dollar stocks tend to be way more volatile. The RSI is bouncing off the bottom. I like that, doubles. I like it. I like it a lot. It's in the center line. of the RSI, and what we want to see is a continuation of a movement upward towards the oversold area. That would be a very bullish indicator. But we see that volume is definitely subsiding since we do have time before power hour, and we could see that the 90 MA has gone below the VWAP, which now becomes resistance instead of support. But we see that the 90 MA is trying to curl. And you know what we could also do with this particular ticker? We could get a trend line, baby. And we could see that this sucker is still trending, relatively trending upward. Right over here is a double top, right? But you already had the price flush. So maybe, doubles, maybe doubles. I did say maybe, right? Yes. Maybe. We can have a bull pennant over here, bull pennant. And this trend line right here would be support. This trend line would be resistance. If it can break through this resistance of this trend line and break through VWAP, maybe BNAI can keep on moving on up. It's currently up 71%. Remember, it has a float of 31 million and the volume is 431 million. So a lot of volume. The volume to float ratio is more than 10x, 10 times the ratio. And I like that. I like that a lot. Ahmed, what's up, brother? Ahmed wants us to take a look at TOVX. Let's check out TOVX for Ahmed. Let's go. TOVX. Let's go. TOVX. Let's take a look at what's going on. Let's tighten this up a little. Let's see what's happening with TOVX. Pull up TOVX. Let's see if there's any news on TOVX. Let's take a look at it. TOVX. TOVX has earnings in 11 days. That is what the news is right now. It has earnings in 11 days. Let's go ahead and push this to a 5-minute chart. Let's bring it down a little bit. All right, so what I see, here's what I see. The most recent movement right here looks like a cup and handle formation. The RSI is moving up, but we can see that the RSI is very thick. That's an indication that a lot of this movement is being done algorithmically rather than by volume coming in from people that are actually paying attention to it. And we can actually see on the 5-minute chart that there's absolutely practically no volume on this. Very, very little volume, and that's a problem. So what we really want to see is volume come in to validate this cup and handle bull pattern. This is a cup and handle bull pattern. The price action's trying to break through VWAP. You could see it right here, but it's moving on very light volume. So what we want to see is a big thrust in volume to help push the stock up. It does have an upcoming catalyst, but it's not right now. So that might be one of the reasons why we're not seeing a lot of attention on it. But what we can do is get ourselves set up with a Fibonacci retracement so that we have an idea of what the resistance and support lines are. We could see, obviously, there's resistance at VWAP at 28 cents. 29 cents would be another resistance area. 31 cents. And of course, 32 cents. And then 34 cents. Support would be right around 27.5 cents, and then down here at 26 cents. So it's in a bullish pattern, but it just doesn't have the volume that it needs. It needs volume love, baby. Volume love. Let's take a look at SELX. SELX. Let's get a shit party. Let's get a shit party going on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. All right. So what we got over here, this ticker ran parabolic early in the morning, but now it's only up 58%. It was up a lot more than that in the wee hours of the morning. It's an 11 million float stock with 60 million in volume. So the volume significantly exceeds the float, but a lot of this volume happened in early pre-market right here. You can see it. Okay. Right now, what we basically have is a bearish double top, an irregular double top right over here. You got a top over here and a top over there. It's an irregular top, but nonetheless, it is a top. And we can see that the price action has the 90 MA moving downward and away from the VWAP. The VWAP's at around $1.25. We need to see this curl and move upward. We need the RSI to bounce off of the oversold area, which is where it's going right now, and move upward over here towards the overbought area. And of course, we're going to need volume. But again, there's still time during the day. It's only 1:45 p.m. So that's the issue. All right. Suraj wants us to take a look at CAN, C-A-N. Let's take a look at C-A-N. 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 Let's take a look at it. All right. So what's the situation with this one? Let's go take a look at it. First of all, Doubles, you see this right over here? Okay. This is called barcoding. Let me explain what barcoding is. Some people know, some people don't know, so I'm going to share. But before I do that, I got to have some of the nectar of the gods, baby. Mm-hmm. Yummy. Okay. This right here is barcoding. So what exactly is it? If you look at the price action, it kind of looks like the barcode on the back of a credit card. So that's where the term comes from. But what this basically means is that there's a problem with the liquidity in the stock. The stock has not been very liquid. And as a result, it barcodes because this type of movement is occurring because market makers are now forced to provide liquidity for the buyers and the sellers. And the way market makers work, they work in a fraction, a very tight fraction. So slight movement up, they make money. A slight movement down, they make money. So if they're the only ones creating liquidity, you end up seeing this barcoding type of a movement. And this is a clear sign that there's a lack of volume with the stock. And it's generally a very difficult stock to trade because there's not enough volatility to push the price action up. So that's why you see the barcoding. So number one, it's lacking volume. And you can see it with the candles. It's trying to move up. The 9 EMA is trying to move up over here and to cross over the VWAP. Significant resistance will be at around $1.19 if it can hold up. But there's not a heck of a lot of volume. And because it's being liquidity is coming from the market makers. It's algorithms that are pretty much pushing the price action, so it makes it difficult to predict which way the stock is really going to move. But what we can do is take a look at a Fibonacci retracement and create some key levels of support and resistance to have a rough idea of where support and resistance is. And we can see that it's bouncing off the support area of $1.13. It's holding just below the VWAP and above the 9 EMA at $1.16, resistance again at $1.19, and then $1.20, and then further up at $1.26 and $1.31, and so on and so forth. But what it really needs is volume love to push the price action upward. Hopefully, as we get closer to power hour, which is still an hour and 12 minutes away, we will see some movement. Ahmed said, what about IAG? Let's take a look at it. And thank you very much for saying that the analysis is great. I appreciate that, Ahmed. That is very cool, brother. Muchas gracias, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, Indelibles, baby. What's up? All right, let's go take a look at IAG. Let's check it out. All right, IAG. Let's see if there's any news on it. Let's see if there's anything going on with IAG. IAG. Let's click into that sucker. Okay, I don't see any news on it, but it is trending upward. It is trending upward. Let's see. It's connected to gold. I am Gold Corporation ordinary shares. Okay, that's what it is. So it has to do with gold. So obviously, if the dollar is weak, the gold stocks tend to go up. Okay, what do we have here? We have very light volume, obviously. So let's take a look at what the volume is on this particular stock. Let's see what the float is on it. The float is not indicated. Let's see what the volume is. Let's see what the session volume is. Let's go down. Okay, volume is 7 million. So I don't know what the float is, but I do know that the volume is 7 million with IAG, which is apparently some kind of a stock related to gold. It is generally trending up, and it looks like it's trending up on relatively light volume. You could see this. You could see it. But it is trending upward. And that's not a surprise if the U.S. dollar is weak, right? And the U.S. dollar has been weak. So if the U.S. dollar is weak, gold and gold derivative type of investments will generally move upward. So that's what you got going on. And it's trending upward. Let's go ahead and tighten this chart up a little bit. And let's get some key levels of resistance and support via the Fibonacci retracement. Let's go and get the Fibonacci activated, baby. Here we go. Boom. Boom, chakalaka, right? So the price action is bullish on light volume. Let's tighten this up a little. You could see that the 9 EMA is above the VWAP. We like that. The 9 EMA has already broken resistance at around 13.28, but the VWAP is still slightly below, but not by much, so it's tightly stacked, and that's a good sign. RSI is pushing towards oversold, but there's still a little bit more room, but the volume is relatively low, and we know that that's because we're in that quiet time of the day. So that's what we got going on. We got resistance at around that 13.25 mark. We've got support at around 12 1270, and then more resistance up here at 1386 and up here at 1458. So that is IAG. IAG, baby. All right. So that's the story. There's a new ticker that just jumped on the scanner. So if you're looking at our custom scanners that we're sharing with you from the Discord community, it is on the left-hand side. You can see TEAD is up 69%, but TEAD has a very high float of 43 million shares, and only 8 million in volume. So it's moving on very light volume, but there was that big price spike on TEAD. So let's see if TEAD has any news. Let's check it out. What caused that spike? They had news on the 7th. Citizens downgraded TEAD holding to market perform. All right, so the news that it had was from several days ago that actually downgraded the value of the stock. So that wouldn't be causing this upward movement, but it certainly probably caused this drop, and now this might be a recovery from that drop. So maybe that's what's going on with this. Let's see what's going on overall. Let's go to a longer time frame and find out if this is a dead cat bounce. And in fact, that's exactly what it looks like. It looks like a dead cat bounce. In other words, the price action has been generally going downward. You can see that it's gone downward significantly, and it's trying to recover. But that's one heck of a recovery. So let's go ahead and bring it to a shorter time frame, and let's create some key levels of support and resistance and see what could potentially be in store for this particular ticker. Right now, the RSI is definitely in the overbought area. It needs to definitely pull back because it is quite extended. Let's go ahead and set the Fibonacci retracement. And again, the float is significantly greater than the volume, so we don't like that. So it's moving on light volume, which could cause sudden drops in price action. So that's what concerns me. Not my cup of tea unless volume comes in, but that's what we got going on. That's what we got going on, doubles. We got that. We got it like that. You got it like that. We got it like that. You got it like that. Let's share it up. Let's get to 500, baby. Let's go. 500. We're over 400 right now. Let's get to 500, baby. All right. Let's go get a win for the indelibles. Let's go. I said I wasn't going to play the Simpson version, but I feel like I need to at least give it another shot. I got to give it another shot. We got 420 folks. Let's do it for the memes, baby. Woo! Let's go, baby. Let's go. MSGY ran earlier in the morning. It's a 14 million float stock, 19 million shares, currently up 55%. Let's take a look at what that one looks like. MSGY as we load into the game. Oh my. Looks like a cup and handle pattern, but it's sub VWAP, and the 9 EMA is pushing downwards. So, like that, doubles. Let's go back to GLTO. GLTO with the descending wedge. Could it reverse? Can it climb? Climb. I don't know. Maybe. Move. Same type of pattern, but it has a 9 EMA that's pushing downward. So let's go back to GLTO. GLTO trying to break out of that descending wedge. Let's go, baby. Break out, baby. Break out. Let's break it out. Let's break it out. All right. Here we go. Getting ready to enter the Battle Royale, doubles. Yes, sir. Woo-wee! Here we go again. Let's get that dub for the community, and we'll let the stocks cook a little bit. And then we'll check back on the stocks and see how they're doing, folks. And if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money, baby. Make sure you subscribe to that. Make sure you got your notifications set for the morning show. The star of the show is here with us, and his trusty sidekick is here with us. It's Stevie Elix in the house. The Rainmaker. The star of Microcap Mornings at 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, chasing parabolic setups all morning long, pre-market into after hours. No, I'm sorry, into regular hours, actually. Into regular hours. Right, absolutely. Yes, sir. With his trusty sidekick, the one, the only, DBL Moms. Let's go, baby. You gotta be louder than that, my little DBL Momster. You gotta be louder than that. You gotta be. Why? Who's shooting at me, bro? What are you doing, fool? Get out of town, bro. Did you see that, fool? Yo, fool, what's up? What's up, fool? I'm angry today, bro. I'm angry. Don't make me angry. You're not going to want me angry. Woo! Doubles. Am I angry today, bro? No. A little bit, bro. I'm a little angry, bro. A little annoyed, bro. Whee! Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's get that share party going on, folks, ladies and gentlemen. Huh? Ooh, what is this? Ooh, what's going on, man? Why is somebody pinging me, bro? Ooh, what's up? Wasabi, how you doing? Hello, nurse. Hello, nurse. Hello. Doubles, how was that, bro? Huh? Little Spankosaurus Rex, bro? Little spanking. They were very fresh today, you know? I'm just saying, bro. They were a little fresh, a little bit. Do I take this thing? Why not? Why not, Doubles? Why not? Woo-wee! Uh-huh. All right. Let's go to the barn over here, bruh. I feel like I need to visit the barn. Folks, let's get it to 600. We're watching GLTO, moving on up. Yes, sir. Oh, my. What is that? No, I don't want that. I don't want it. I don't need it, I tell you. What's over here? What is this, bro? Start, lost, and found. What? I don't want to do that. I don't want none of that nonsense. I don't need it. I don't want it, I tell you. Woo-wee! Ooh, splashy. Double splashy. Woohoo! Let's go. Ooh, impulses. Why not? I'm being impulsive, bro. See how I did that, bro? Dad joke, bro. Pause. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Woo-wee. Ooh, impulse grenades. Why not? Let's go. My goodness. My gracious, bro. Wee. Doubles. Let's get that share party. Let's get the 300. Wait, no, we're already. No, what am I talking about? 600. 600, baby. Let's go. Doubles, double trouble. Bro, where are all the cars, bro? How come there's no cars, man? Do you notice that? No vehicles. What's up? I don't know, dude. They got rid of the cars. Bro. Did they get rid of them, or it's just not that many? Let's get to 700, folks. We are over 600. I want to see like 2,000, 3,000 folks today. Come on, come and visit me. I need some company. I need some company, papi chulos. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my, doubles. Oh my. Ooh, what's this? What's this? What? I don't need that. I don't want that. I don't need it. I don't want it. Let's get a share party. Almost 700. Indelibles on the rise. The indelible pride is moving on up, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go up. Who's that, March? Which March? Wow. Whoa! Somebody shooting at the coach. Why are you shooting at me, baby? Come on, bot. What's wrong with you? Just because I called you witch, that's what they said.
I think there's a mythical weapon in it.
What kind of weapon is that, Doubles? What kind of weapon, bro? Should I do it?
Yeah.
You think so? But what if it's like, what if it's something I don't like, bro? Oh, bro. Somebody's attacking me from behind, brother. Parabolics. Parabolics. I need to get some juicy on, bruh. Oh, dude. Yo. All right, let's go back to the stonks, baby. Share it up. Yo, between you and me, bro, I don't like this mode at all. I don't like it.
No.
I don't like it.
You got doggos though, at least.
I don't know. I'm going back to OG, baby. Go to what I like. I got to do what I like. DBL moms. There you go.
Oh, by the way.
Yeah, Doubles.
Go into your locker.
What?
Go into your locker. You get a dog.
What are you talking about?
You get a sidekick.
Where?
Go to your locker.
Yeah.
Then go down to where it says introducing sidekick. Click the little paw print icon.
Where?
On the left.
Huh?
So
That?
Click that. Click it.
Yeah.
Click the paw.
Uh-huh.
Oh, you don't have one. Okay,
I don't got one.
Okay, go back.
Leave me alone.
Okay.
I'm trying to play over here. Leave me alone.
I thought you liked dogs.
I do. But I also like a parabolic breakout. And I'm looking at GLTO, baby. GLTO, baby. Hey, yeah. Yeah. GLTO breaking out of the descending wedge bull reversal pattern. Come on, baby. Let's get all this negative triple top stuff out of here. That's yesterday's news. Actually, it's early this morning news, but we won't say nothing. Come on, baby. Come on, breaking out of the descending wedge. Resistance will be at around $19. 9 EMA curling, moving upward. Let's go, baby. Let's get a share party going on with GLTO moving on up. Currently up 253%. 1 million float, low float. 1 million. Volume, 37 million. Volume coming in, baby. Let's go. Curl. Okay, it's time for Fibonacci time. It's time for the Fibonacci, baby. Let's go get that Fibonacci set up, the Fibonacci retracement for key levels of support and resistance. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We got support right over here, right there at $15.90. We got resistance at around $19, $19. Resistance at $22.50, $22.50. Resistance at $26.95. Breaking out of a descending wedge bull reversal pattern. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. Moving on news of a merger, upcoming merger. And it too has a descending wedge bull reversal, but unlike GLTO, the 9 EMA is pushing downward and away from the VWAP. We don't like that. The RSI is selling off. We don't like that. We don't want that. Let's get a share party going on. We don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like doubles. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. MSGY. Let's see what's going on with MSGY. Can it recover from this morning? And it's trying to form that cup and handle, but it's still sub VWAP. Back to GLTO. GLTO. Let's go to GLTO. Descending wedge. Bull reversal pattern. It's turning. Can it break through the VWAP right over here? The VWAP's at around $19. BNAI also bullish earlier in the morning. Bless you, doubles. It's in a bullpen, and we need to see that 9 EMA curl upward and pierce through the VWAP, which is at 66 cents. Back to GLTO. GLTO probably looking the most schmexy right now. It'll be more schmexy if it breaks through the VWAP, doubles. We're going to keep an eye on it. Let's put it on the stove, doubles. Let it cook, baby. Let it cook a little bit. It's breaking out of the descending wedge. Let it cook, I tell you. Meanwhile, we're going to go get a dub for the Indelible Tribe. Let's go, Indelibles. Let's go, baby. Back to OG. What I do, baby. It's what I do. OG for the OG. OG for the OG. That's what I'm saying. Deep little moms, can I bother you for some Java? Can I bother you for some Java? I'm low energy. Can you hear that I don't have all that excitement in me like I usually do? Low energy. I need some coffee. I think I need some coffee, doubles. What do you think, doubles? Coffee. Let's go. 876 folks with us. Let's do a share party. We are still 52 minutes away from power hour. 52 minutes away from the power hour, baby. Let's go. Let's share it up. Let's share it. Let's go. Over 900, bro. Over 900 doubles. Let's get it over 1,000. 1,000. Over 1,000. Let's share it up. Let's go. OG for the Indelible Tribe. Getting a dub for the OG Tribe. Let's go. The Indelible Tribe. Let's go. You know where I'm going to land, bro? I feel lucky. So I'm going to land at Lucky Landing. It's been doing justice for me, doubles. I'm not going to lie. I kind of like it. I like that Japanese motif for that Japanese, you know? The cherry trees and all that. I like it a lot, yo. Right, doubles? Why not? Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on, Indelibles. Got to get a victory royale for you. We're letting the stocks cook a little bit. Letting them cook. GLTO, 253%. Move, 151%. BNAI, 70%. MSGY, 66%. SELX, 64%. And we're looking at the chart for GLTO. GLTO ran 422% earlier in the morning. And right now, we got a descending wedge bull reversal. It's trying to reverse doubles. And it's currently up 253%. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Doubles. Did I say let's go? Let's go. Come on, GLTO. GLTO ran about a month ago 856%. So this is a repeat offender. Guilty as charged. GLTO, much love. Come on now. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's go. Oh my, look at this doubles. I feel like I could do some damage over there. I feel like I should be doing some damage. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Woo. Surprise, surprise, surprise. I'm not there, fella. Oh! Did I just blow myself up, bro? All right, that didn't count. You didn't see that, bro. You didn't see that. You didn't see that. We got to try again. Nobody saw that. It did not happen. It did not happen, bro. It did. Shut up, doubles. Shut up, doubles. It didn't happen. That was a warm-up. Leave me alone. I don't have my coffee. I need my coffee. And I don't have a New York accent. I have a proper accent. It's coffee. It's not coffee. I can't even do it, bro. Coffee. My mouth gets into like a very weird position. Coffee. 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 Coffee? Coffee. Coffee. All right, all right. All right, all right, all right. Holy moly. Holy moly. Holy moly. Holy moly. Holy moly. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We're going to try this again, doubles. That was messed up. I should not have done that, by the way. One demerit, doubles. One demerit. All right, what's going on with GLTO? Trying to break the VWAP, still having some significant problemos, down about 4 percentage points, 249% up. It was 253% in its prior curl. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, I tell you. All right, moving on down, 158%. TEAD, heavy float, 15 million volume, float, 43 million, up 74%, moving on light volume, 69% for BNAI, let's go, let's go, let's go, hot drop, here we go, hot drop, hot drop, hot drop, hot drop, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's get the victory royale. Y'all didn't see me blow myself up now, nobody saw that. Nobody saw that. Just saying. I'm just saying. It was not me. It was not me. No, 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 doubles. No, 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 no. All right, we got some folks over here that need to get corrected. You know what I'm saying, doubles? We got to correct some folks here. There's at least 1, 2, 3, 4 peoples. Get away from my house. That's my house. My house. And I built it. Let's go. Let's go. This is quite a weird loadout. Oh man, that's not good. I'm not here.
Not here.
I'm not here.
Nope.
Nowhere to be found. Not here.
No,
Bro, what am I doing? Forget it. Let me go back to the stocks, bro. I'm playing like culito. I'm playing like garbage, bro. Garbage, 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 bro. All right, whatever. Whatever. Sometimes it's just not your day. All right, so we're seeing GLTO still trying to break that descending wedge. It is still 46 minutes before, 44 minutes. 44 minutes before power hour, so the volume is not just quite in there, but you can see that the 9 EMA is starting to creep upward, and we see that there is a curvature happening with the descending wedge bull reversal on GLTO. It's currently up 248%. It's kind of stagnating at this level, but again, it's still way early, so hopefully volume will come in and give it some love. Give it some love, and we'll see a breakout on this descending wedge bull reversal pattern. MOVE. MOVE, also a descending wedge. And finally, the 9 EMA is curling ever so slightly upward. So let's go see what's going on here. Let's see. Let's take this one right here. Let's take this right over here. Let's put this over here. Let's take this over there and say that it's in a descending wedge bull reversal pattern. The 9 EMA seems to be starting to curl. It's got to break this downtrend and start to hook upward and break through the VWAP, which is roughly at around $14.50. 9 EMA is trying to break out. We're starting to getting some basing on the RSI. It has moved towards the oversold area significantly. It needs to curl, baby, curl. Let's go to TEAD, which is moving on very light volume. Let's take a look at it. Let's go take a look at TEAD. And we can see that it continues to trend upward on light volume. It's a heavy floated stock at 43 million shares, 17 million volume, just 17 million in volume. And if we do this, you can see where the Fibonacci is. It's finding resistance at around the 129, 130 cent mark, which is where the Fibonacci is. We can see that the 9 EMA is stacked very closely to the VWAP. So hopefully more volume will come in and we'll see some movement upward. The RSI is certainly in the overbought area. So a pullback would not be out of the question. TEAD currently up 69%. Let's go to BNAI. Let's go check it out. BNAI in a pennant, trying to break out of that pennant, has resistance at VWAP at 66 cents, currently at around 64, 65 cents. Let's get a share party going on. Share party, trying to break the VWAP. BNAI trying to break the VWAP. 9 EMA curling upward. RSI curling upward. Needs some more volume love for BNAI. I traded that earlier today, Doubles. Made some money pre-market. Made some money for the tribe. Let's go, baby. Let's go. SELX. Let's take a look at SELX. Let's go. SELX forming that double top, irregular double top. It needs to curl, baby, curl. It's got to get above the VWAP at $1.25. Otherwise, I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to think about you. Come on. Got to show some love. MSGY. Let's go. It is trying to do a cup and handle type of situation. Not quite. It's sub VWAP. It needs volume love, Doubles. Volume love, I tell you. MOVE. Let's take a look at it one more time. Trying to break out of the descending wedge, bull reversal pattern. Trying. GLTO, same situation. Descending wedge, bull reversal pattern. And it is struggling, but it is trying to drift up towards the VWAP, which is at around $19 and change. So that's what's going on. Let's get a share party going on. Let's get it to 1,300, 1,400. Let's keep going, baby. Doubles, what do you think? Should we keep it going? We should keep it going. All right, listen. We're going to let these stonks cook. I'm going to jump into the game, and I'm going to actually play the game as if I actually know how to play it, because I do. I'm rubbing DBL Mom for luck. I'm rubbing it for luck. Let's go, DBL Moms. Let's go. Can you give the tribe a hey? There you go. It ain't a party without DBL Moms. It ain't. Yummy. The coffee is delicious, dear. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right. Here we go. Here we go. All right, let's get that doubles. What do you think, bro? Man, I played the last 2 games like Buddha. Like Buddha. Like Buddha. It was no bueno, no bueno, no bueno, doubles. No bueno, no bueno, no bueno. Right, doubles? No bueno. No bueno, no bueno, no bueno. Doubles. Bueno, bueno, bueno. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. All right, GLTO moving on up. 256%. Descending wedge will reversal. 37 million volume. Float only 1 million. Only 1 million. Doubles. Hot drop. Hot drop. That didn't work very well for me the past couple of drops, but let's go anyway. Let's go. Let's go. I'm going to play this to actually win. Let's go. Come on. Not that I wasn't playing the other one to win, but I don't know what I was thinking, man. Jumping out of the building with no health? I don't know. I thought I was MacGyver or something. I don't know who MacGyver is, but anyway, it sounds good, right, Doubles? Get away from my house, yo. Get away. Get out of there. Get out of my house, yo. Get out. That's my casa. My casa, yo. My casa. My house. This is my house, and I live there. Come on now. Ooh-wee. Let's go, baby. Uh-huh. 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 Doubles, doubles, doubles. Double trouble, double trouble. Let's go, baby. I need better weapons than this, bro. Come on now. Oh, I don't need no balloons. I don't like the balloons. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't want no balloons. I don't want them. I don't need them. I don't need them. All right, here we go. Doubles. Are you ready? We're ready, right? We're ready. We're ready. We're ready. We're ready and we're steady. Get out of town, fella. Woo! Way! Doubles. Did you see what I did? I gave him troubles. I gave him double trouble, bruh. Now I'm almost back, bruh. I'm almost back, bruh. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Everything's great, bro. What the heck? What the heck, bro? What the heck, bro? I don't know. I think I might have canceled one of them. It don't matter. I'll figure it out, bro. I'll figure it out. I'm not worried. I'm not worried at all. This is my drop. My drop, fellas and ladies. Ladies and fellas. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. What do you think, Doubles? Uh-huh. Let's hit that share party. Let's go to 1400, Doubles. Let's go, baby. You know what? I think I'm going to take the pistol with me, bro. Why not? Why not? Let's go. 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 Man, look at my weapons. They're complete trash, bro. You see my weapons, bro? Yeah. Trashola. Trashy, trashy, trashy. No bueno. No bueno. Okay, we ain't got enough for that. We ain't got enough for it. We ain't got enough for it. Let's go. Ooh, half pot. Why not? Why not, Doubles? Why not? Let's get a share party. We're almost at 1,400. Let's go 15, 1,600. Let the indelible tribe prosper. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. GLTO up 250%. Pulled back somewhat. Pulled back somewhat. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go to the rift, bro. Come on, give me some decent weapons, bro. Give me some decent weapons, bro. Come on. Oh! Oh, my. That's what I'm talking about right there. Now you're talking my kind of business, my fellas. I can work with, man can work with that. You know what I'm saying? Doubles. A man can work with that. I'm just saying. Yes, sir. All right, let's go, baby. What am I missing here? Is there something over here? Oh, look at that. 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 That's so beautiful. Come on, let's go get some more loot, doubles. What do you think? We got time, right? I got my P90 now. I'm looking pretty. Let's say the share party. Let's get to 1,500. 1,500, baby. Let's go. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. SELX 69%. Moving on up. MSGY 67%. Moving on up. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh, I like it. I like it a lot. But I got minis right now, so we'll just go with the minis. It's okay. We'll just go with the minis. Actually, you know what, bro? I don't need the Sky, but JR. I don't need it. I don't want it. Why not? Why not get another drink in the house? Why not? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Where are we going, doubles? Where are we going? Doubles, where are we going? Where we going? Where we going? Over here somewhere? We're stalking. We're stalking. Is that a... No, that's... Oh, look! An anime! We got ourselves an anime, folks! Oh, mio mio! Mio mio! And oh! Oh, no! Poor guy! Oh, how terrible! Terrible. Poor fella. I feel so bad. Laugh at you, fool. I laugh at you, fool. What's up, fool? What's up, fool? What's up? Can we do it again, doubles? Can we do it again? I like that, doubles. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like landing on people, bro. I like it, doubles. I like it. Oh my, look at that. Look at that. There's another rift over there, but there's a rift over here. I say I go to this rift over here because this one's not in the storm, so we can go over there. You know what I'm saying, doubles? Oh my, let's go, baby. Let's go. Where's that drop, doubles? Where is it? Is it landing? Oh, look, doubles. It looks like it wants to land, huh? Well, why don't we let it land? I say we let it land, doubles. Why not? Why not? Oh, why not? Why not? Why not, doubles? Why not? It's landing, doubles. It's landing. And I'm landing as well, bro. Shooting nearby, bro. I'm landing. Oh, my. Nothing that I really want. Nothing that I really want. No. Let's get that rift, bro. Let's get back to that rift, bro. Why not? Why not? Why not, I tell you? Why not? Why not? Let's get that share party. We're almost at 1,800. Almost at 1,800. Let's go, baby. let's get to that Riftosaurus Rex. Let's see if GLTO can keep moving up, moving up, moving up. Descending wedge, bull reversal, 258%. Back up to where it was before. It was 258% before. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I don't know where I want to be, bro. I really don't know where I want to be. How about Grandma? Grandma's house? Nah, that's not in. Oh my, let's go back over here. Let's go back. Oh my, look at that. Look at there. There's loot over there, bro. There's loot. Where was the shooting though, bro? I don't see the enemy. I feel like I should take that loot though, bro. You know, I'm gonna grab this loot. There's just too much delicious loot for me to say no. Oh my! What's going on? Oh my, bro. What did I do, bro? I burned myself, bro. I burned myself, doubles. I didn't mean to do... Dude, I'm not performing well today. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on, fella. I gotta get my act together, bro. I gotta get my act together, doubles. I don't understand it no more. I don't understand what's going on, fella. What's going on? Doubles, what's going on? Yeah, what's going on? Yeah, what's going on? Yeah. I need some heals, bro. Bro, I need some heals, bro. I cooked myself in that room, bro. That was not bueno. No bueno. No bueno. Sometimes my placement for the campfire is a little too particular. What is this, bro? Oh, a fresh one. Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Alright. No health. Alright. I hope I didn't mess myself up, doubles. I need heals. I need heals. I need heals. I need a med kit. A med kit would be perfect. It would be perfect, doubles. A perfect med kit. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Super Saiyan. I'm just saying. Somebody's nearby, bro. Woo-wee! Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go back here, bro. Oh, this house has a rift, right, bro? It sure does, brother. Let's go back to this casa. Maybe it has some heals for me. Why not? 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 Come on, give me some heals. Give me some heals. Give me some heals. Give me some heals. Heals, 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 heals. Why not? Nope, no heals. No heals, no heals, no heals. Why not? Why not? Come on. Oh, what am I doing, bro? Didn't I pick up a shotgun? Come on, there's a shotgun. What's going on over here? Man, I'm playing sloppy today? No heals, bro. No heals, brother. Nothing. No heals, bro. Well, I put myself in quite a predicament. Quite a predicament, doubles. Quite a predicament. But I'm not worried. I'm not afraid, I tell you. No. Come on now. Enemy down below. I see him. Should I partake in his situation or what, doubles? Or should I just go high? I'm gonna go high, bro. Yeah, there we go. Where you at, fella? Oh, I'm glad I didn't go down there. Somebody here! Enemy, enemy, enemy! Enemy, enemy! Tried to sneak up on me. I don't like it. I don't like it, doubles. I don't like it. I don't like it, bro. You know what? Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Let's go, I'm telling you, bro. Ooh-wee! I built me casa, yo. I may not have my health, but I got my casa. I'm looking pretty, doubles. I'm not lying. What do you think, doubles? Do I look pretty?
Yeah.
I got my perch, bro.
You just need health. That's it.
I know. I messed that up. Dude, I messed that up myself, bro.
I know.
I did. I messed it up. I messed it up. We're almost at 1,600. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're watching the stonks. We're playing a little Fortnite. We're getting ready for Power Hour. Make sure you're following us on YouTube at Coach Money. At Coach Money. And, of course, you want to follow us on X.com at Coach Money. At Coach Money. And, of course, Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at Coach Money. At Coach Money. And, yeah, we're also live streaming on Twitch at Coach Money. At Coach Nick Money, and of course we're on Tiki Taki, aka the Tac Tac, or as Doubles likes to call it. Wait, the Tac Tac. He calls it the Tac Tac. That's what he calls it. Yeah. At DBL Nicks. At DBL NICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. And of course, if you want to become a part of an amazing, look at that, they're taking the loot over there. If you want to become part of an amazing Discord community with massive tools, great scanners, great news tools, great early watch lists, all of that stuff, you could go ahead and do a 4-day trial for $9.99, only $9.99. Go ahead and take advantage of it. Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Perhaps. Why not? $9.99 in the description and in the pinned comment. Where's this guy? Please don't shoot me. All right. That's it. He made his move, so I got to make my move. No heals anywhere, right? Nope. But there is a scar. A scar, bro. So we may not have heals, but we got scars. Why not? And of course, he's in the... Ah! He sniped me, bro. Bro, did you see that?
I saw that.
Oh my God, bro. What a rough day, bro. All right, let's go back to the songs, baby. Oh, what the heck is this guy doing?
It's like the guy that was just sitting there chilling below him.
Oh man, bro. What the heck? There's my loot over there too, bro. Look at that. Ugh. All right, I don't want to watch this. I don't want to watch it. Let's go back to the stonks. Let's take a look at the stonks, baby. I need some coffee. Let's get a shit party going up. Man, that guy domed me, bro. He domed me. Domosaurus Rex, bro. All right. GLTO is pulling back, so that's kind of like, We We still have 20 minutes for power hour, but this does not look particularly schmexy at this point. It did break out of a descending wedge, but without volume confirmation, RSI moving up, that's what we need. It's like, not ready yet, I would say. Doubles not ready. Not ready. MOVE also had a descending wedge going on. Let's see how it's making out. Same type of situation, actually probably a little bit worse because the 9 EMA is pointing downward and away from the VWAP. That is a bearish pattern. We need to see some volume love come in. We could also see that the RSI is dipping downward. So GLTO is probably in better shape than MOVE, but both of them are kind of bearish right now. BNAI, ooh-wee, trying to form that pennant over here. The pennant. It's sub VWAP right now. It's sub VWAP right now. It needs to break that pennant, and become a bullish movement. All right. MSGY. We'll keep an eye on this because it is a bull pennant. It is a bull pennant. MSGY. Sub VWAP, no bueno. TEAD. Here's a perfect reason why I don't like heavy floated stocks moving on low volume, because ultimately they crash and burn. So it's now up 55%, 43 million float, kind of on the heavy side, 21 million volume, not enough volume. So it came and crashed. It basically formed a, I guess it's a double top. One top over here and a top over there, and it came crashing down. Let's go back to GLTO. Let's take a look at it. Descending wedge, bull reversal, possibly. BNAI. That pennant though, doubles. That pennant. You know what I'm talking about? The pennant, you know what I mean? Yeah. The pennant doubles. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm saying? All right, so we're going to keep an eye on this one. We're going to look at it. It needs to get above VWAP. Needs to get above 66 cents. Needs to get above 66 cents. Let's go and try to get it good for the community. I got to redeem myself. Those are 3 really bad games, doubles. Doubles, those are 3 really bad games. I don't know. I don't know what happened. The Fortnite gods are not shining on me today. I don't know. I don't know.
You want the coach doubles?
Huh?
You want coach doubles?
I do want coach doubles. Yes. You are my coach. I am doubles. I am your father.
Yes.
Your faja. I am your faja. We got almost 1,700 people following right now, watching the show. Come on, let's share it up. Let's get to 2,000, and we'll let these stocks cook a little bit, and then we'll go back and check them out. Now, you might be asking why I'm not looking at CMBO, which is coming up on the scanner, is up 3,098%. That's not accurate. Really, what you got is a reverse split, the stock reverse split, and the scanners have to adjust, and it takes a little while. So it's showing that it's 3,098, but that's only because there's less shares and the price jumped up because there's less shares. It's not a natural movement upward. So that's why we're not looking at CMBO. Reverse split CMBO. Let's get a share party going on. CMBO. All right. Doubles, double troubles. No, I don't want to hear it, fella. All right, perhaps. You know what? I'm going to switch it up. I'm going to go back to the old casa. How about that? Mi casa is su casa. I never knew nobody named Sue living in my casa, though, bro. Never. I don't know nobody named Sue. I don't know why they say mi casa is su casa. Sue never lived with me. I don't know her.
Who is he?
I don't know her, bro. Who's Sue?
Why is he in my casa?
Yeah, why are you in my casa, yo? What's up with that? Woo-wee! Come on, let's get to the Viking Hill. Let's get to the Viking. Let's get to Viking. Let's go. Let's go, bro. sometimes you just gotta land where you're familiar. You know, when you're having problems, just land where you're familiar. Yo, that stock IOTR, the one that was moving on very light volume, holy moly, back in the picture. I don't trust it. I don't trust it, I tell you. I don't trust it, though. I don't trust it. Ooh, look at the P90, bro. P90. 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 Ooh, now we're talking, bro. Finally. Finalmente. 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 What's up? Now we got some weapons, bro. A man can do some damage with that type of stuff right there. Ooh, shield, why not? Why not? Perhaps. Oh, look at bro. Bro, doubles. Doubles. I'm rocking double P90s. Holy moly. Doubles, bro. Why was I landing in the other places? Why? I don't know. I was just trying to like do something different, bro. I don't know. Oh my. P90. I got. Hey, would it be P9 180? Because I got two of them. Bro, I gotta take the purple. I got to take the purple pump. I got to. It's not my fault. I had to do it. I had to do it, fella. Bro, shield. Why did I land anywhere other than Viking? Why, bro? Why? Tell me. Tell me why. Why did I land anywhere else? I don't know. Launchpad, bro. What else, bro? Only thing I'm missing is an AR, bro. Bro! Closed mouths don't get fed, baby. I asked, and the Fortnite guys showed me love. Why not? Why not? Why not, brothers? Why not? Why not, bro? Listen, I gotta do my best now, because I got all kinds of weapons. I got no excuse not to win this. None, brothers, none. No excuse. I gotta win it. I got to. I got to. I do have to go to zone, don't I? I gotta go to the auto zone. I gotta go to zone. There are no autos in this version of Fortnite. You know, doubles. Yeah. So I gotta do a little Riftosaurus Rex, brother. Right? Ooh-wee. 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 All right. Let's go, baby. Look at all the... Bro, do you see what I've got up here, bro? Oh, my... Bro! What the heck? Oh, my goodness gracious. Oh, my gracious. Down below, baby. Down below. Below. Let's go and show them some love, doubles. I say we show them some love, brother. Why not? Why not? Perhaps. Why are they not shooting at each other? Really? You know what? I'm going down. I'm going down. Let's go. Woo! Finally, bro. I'm not hitting my shots today, bro. I don't know why. What? What? Wasabi, bro. Wasabi. What's up? Bro, let's go. Let's share it up, folks. We got almost 2,000 people watching. Let's go as we wait for GLTO to make a move on up and pull back quite significantly. Move up 166%. 166%. Move. BNAI breaking down. Let's take a look at it. We'll hit this rift. And we'll put ourselves on autopilot and we'll check out. Move. What's going on with move? Let's go, baby. Boom. Chakalaka. Let's go. There you go. All right, let's see what's going on with move. It was in a descending wedge. It broke out of the descending wedge. Kind of, sort of. Let's go to the other rift, Doubles. Why not, Doubles? Why not? Right? Why not? What do you think, Doubles? Yeah, why not? Any enemies nearby? Enemy. Any enemies by us? Any enemies near us? Enemies? Holy moly. Doubles, I want to land on somebody, bro. But I don't see nobody. To land on, Doubles. Nobody to want to play with me. I want somebody to play. Hey, Doubles, maybe we should go check out this. No, storm's coming. Doubles. What's going on, man? There's nobody here. Ah, right there. Look. Somebody in there. Somebody in that. Oh, he's shooting at me. This critter is shooting at me, bro. Get out of here, bro. Come on, bro. I know I'm playing like arse today, but still, bro. Come on. Come on now. Come on down. The water's warm, I tell you. Come on now. Ooh, what's over here? Anything I like? Anything I need? Nope. Launch pad. Why not? Launch pad. Why not? Oops. Let's go, babe. All right, Doubles. What do you think, bro?
You gotta scroll down on the chat.
What happened?
Scroll down on the chat.
Why? What's going on with the chat?
You're like all the way up.
Oh, I'm scrolled all the way up? Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see all of these messages, right? Oh, my goodness, bro. All right. Oh, man. Okay. Wow. Okay. All right, Doubles. Let's go. You know what? I'm playing, so I can't see the message feed. Go ahead and see what's going on. I know Jose just shared the stream. Thank you, Jose. Oh, man. I didn't know that. Bro. BNAI. All right, let's put it up. BNAI, we did. We were hoping that it was going to move for us. Maybe a little too early for it. BNAI. BNAI is a pennant, but it dropped from that pennant. So we need to get it above the pennant. Above the pennant. Needs volume. It needs volume, Doubles. What else we got? What's the low price stock? Right now the leading gainers are right here, so we're going to keep an eye and see if any of these break out. So you can see them in the lower left-hand corner of our stream. You can see custom scanners from our Discord that we're sharing with you. So those are the leading gainers, and we can see that BNAI is breaking down. It had a bullish pennant, but it's breaking down. Move was moving, but now it's not moving. GLTO was moving, but it's not moving. So we have to wait until there's some volume confirmation for something that's worthwhile. And BNAI unknown. We already told them about what's going on with that one. Let's see. Did I miss anything else? Ahmed said last one. I'm not sure what he was referring to because I missed the message he made beforehand. I wish I had seen that. Good catch, Doubles. Good catch. Good catch. I tell you. Man, look at all these P90s, bro. What's going on? Oh, enemy right there, bro. See him? Enemy. Enemy. Come on now. Enemy. He's going to the rift, bro. Come here, fella. missing my shot. Bro, I'm missing my shots, bro. Man, what is going on with my shots, bro? No, I don't want that. I'm just gonna pop my drink. I'm going to drink my drink. Transportation. Transportation. Why not? Where are we going? I kind of like where I'm at, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of likes where I'm at, fella. I kind of likes where I'm at, double. Can we find an enemy? Enemy? Could we? Could it be? Could we see an enemy? Come on. For me to land on top of the... Man, I'm rhyming like crazy, bro. Call me Jay-Z or something. Or call me Coach Nick Money. Landing on the... Come on, fellas. What you want to do? Come and play with me. Come on now. SELX moving up 81%. Move up 152%. BNAI is breaking down. I don't like that. I don't like it. I want an upward movement from that pennant. Pennant. Let's move over here, bro. Maybe there's somebody over here. I don't see nobody near here, you know? Right, doubles? What do you think? Ship outy. Make sure you're following on the YouTube at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. Make sure that you're following on X.com, aka Twitter, at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money, X.com. Also, Facebook, Instagram, and Threads. At Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money, baby. Money. Money. I like money. Oh my goodness, doubles. And I can't sing for heck, y'all. But I'm pretty, bro. I'm pretty. I'm a pretty fella. Yes, sir. Alright, doubles. Alright. Let's go up here, bro. Why not? Let's share it on up. Let's get going. I missed my thingy over here, bro. I was looking at the charts, and I missed my thingy. I can tell you, sometimes it's not so easy to multitask. You know, doubles? Maybe sometimes, sometimes it's not so easy. Do we have any enemies, bro? Ooh, I squeaked, bro. Did you hear me squeak? I squeaked a little bit. My voice is dry. I got a little dryness here. Little dryness. Yes, sir. Little dryness. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm saying? Oh, boy. No. We're not going to go that way. Never mind. Forget about it. Forget it. Oh, my. Oh, my. Oh, my goodness. Immigration. Oh, my. Look at all these drops, bro. Let's go. Wee! Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right. Bring it on down. Come on now. To the big time. The deluxe apartment in the sky. It's coming in, bruh. Of course it's coming in, brother. Chakalaka. Boom, chakalaka. Why not? Now let's go here. Let's go over here. Let's go this way. Let's keep moving and grooving. Is there an enemy nearby? Enemy. There is. I hear it. Fella. I hears it. Let's see. Where we going? Oh, man. I hate this biome, bro.
Yeah.
I'm not a fan of this because there's too many people hiding over here.
Load your guns.
I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. The machine guns aren't loaded? You're right, bro. There's enemies nearby. Oh! Critter tried to trap me. Surprise me. Suppress me. Come on now. Come on now, fella. Come on now. Mikasa is Mikasa, yo. Yo, there's a rift over here, bro. I can never find it, by the way. You see what I did, bro? I kind of put myself in an open area, which kind of makes me a target, but it also gives me the ability to see what's going on. Get a little air, you know? We got over 2,000 people over here. All right, all right, all right. All right, all right, all right. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right, we're not in zone. We're not in zone. That's no bueno. No bueno. No bueno. Bueno, bueno, bueno. Enemy! 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 Oh! Bye, fella. See ya. Ciao, Bella. Ciao, bello. Ciao. See you later. Bye-bye. See you. Bye. Hey, ah! Yo, yo, yo! What's going on? But I got half pots. I do, I tell ya. The building's right there. Alright, alright, alright. 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 I can't use my launch pad because this jerky thing. There's too many. There's nothing I could do, bro. I was out of mats. Bro. I hate this biome. Dude, I have not had a good game all day today. But it is power hour, so let's take a look and see what is moving. Because at the end of the day, the stonks are much more lovely. They're much more kind, generally speaking. GLTO, let's go. No, that's not what we want. Let's go take a look at GLTO. Come on, what's going on here? Hello, 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 hello. Refresh. Refresh. What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? I don't know why I did that. I don't know. I don't know. Hello. All right. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. No?
If not, I just
It does not want to do it, Doubles.
I give it the X out and then I put in the one in.
It's okay. That's all right. It's okay. It's all right. Refresh. Come on. Come on. You can do it. There you go. Come on, fella. Come on. Be bueno for me. Be bueno. It's not being bueno. All right. Doubles, can you pull up the charts for me?
Sure.
All right, my computer's not cooperating.
Cooperation.
There's no cooperation here. There's nothing.
No cooperation.
Nothing here. Nothing. Oh, wait. No, not cooperating, doubles.
Apologize.
Okay, let's take a look at GLTO.
GLTO.
GLTO. Below VWAP. Below VWAP needs volume. Breaking down, no bueno. Move, MOVE.
All right.
MOVE. Let's check it out. MOVE. It has broken a downtrend, but, and is consolidating, but it is below VWAP. VWAP is $14.41. It needs to curl. This stock, it was moving on news of a merger. Let's go to SELX. Let's go check it out. It's a cup and handle below VWAP, needs volume, is starting to sell off. No bueno. How about BNAI? Let's take a look at BNAI. It was in a pennant and it was breaking down. So let's see what it's doing right now. BNAI, and it failed the pennant. Oh my, I hate when that happens. Maybe a descending wedge bull reversal, but it needs volume. They need volume, love. I don't like any of this right now, doubles. I don't like it. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Money. At Coach Money. And of course, if you want 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, information about the financial market, as well as pre-market, regular hours, and after hours, everything and anything about microcap and small cap stocks. Go ahead and subscribe to the X.com account, aka Twitter at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. Nobody does it better, especially with small caps and micro caps, pre-market, regular hours, and after hours coverage. Technical analysis, news, filings, all of that stuff. You can find it on our X.com account at Coach Money. At Coach Money. And of course, some incredible content on Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at Coach Money. At Coach Money. And of course, we also live stream on Twitch at Coach Money. At Coach Money. And of course, you got to have a TikTok, tiki-taki, or as doubles like to call it, the tack at DBL Nicks. At DBLNICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. And of course, we invite you to come and check out our Discord community with all the fantastic tools, an amazing community, very supportive members, very supportive from us as well. And of course, all the positive tools that are available. You can see one of the tools on the screen right now. One of the tools right now is the Market Mover Scanner that basically gives you the top leading gainers right now. But we also have the breakout scanners. We also have other scanners as well, in addition to the search features for the news and filings for each individual stock, so that you can actually know why the stock is moving. That's important, because the early bird gets the cash, baby. Don't be fooled by nonsense. Knowing the more you know. Think about this, folks. Think about this. The more you know, the better off you are. Anybody that tells you don't need information is disingenuous or doesn't know what they're talking about. They don't know what they're talking about. The more information you got, the more you learn, the better off you are. Ladies and gentlemen, we call you indelibles because I want you all to leave your mark and make sure it's unerasable, an indelible mark, baby. Be a role model for others. It's so much more fun when you're making money with other people. Be happy. Make your achievements. Achieve your goals. Be indelible, baby. You are part of the indelible tribe. We appreciate every single one of you. All of you make all of this possible for us. Thank you so much for supporting us all the time. You guys are amazing. The next show is going to be tomorrow at 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is the time, Monday through Friday, the morning show called Microcap Mornings, when you're with DBL Nicks, the star in the house. He's right here. DBL Nicks in the house with the Serengeti specialist. She's the specialist, always snarling the next ABCD bull pattern. DBL Moms. There you go. It's a party, ladies and gentlemen. It's a party. All right. Make a lot of money. Be happy. God bless y'all. We love you. We're out of here.